Hey, what's good, everybody? It is episode 20, and today it's gonna be a little different. As you can see, we got the hair out finally. Well, I don't know if there was an episode I had the hair out, but we got the hair out today. I think this is the longest my hair has ever been in life, so that's pretty cool. I didn't cut it. We almost had a scare where I thought I was gonna cut it like who was it, like a couple weeks before my trip. I used some dollar store like shampoo and conditioner, and that shit made my hair like lock up instantly. So if you want dreadlocks, then go get you some dollar store shampoo conditioner. not the good, like they have good ones there, like they have some name brand stuff there that works, but I mean, you definitely get what you pay for. But yeah, no, I like my hair this long. I wanted to get a little longer, but I think like shoulder length is like the max length, because once it gets that long, then I personally think that's unsanitary. Of course, I know people can take care of their hair better than me, but I just think if you're a super active person, like you're not really washing your hair that often. Like I don't know. To me, that's unsanitary. But yeah, for guys, like girls don't be sweating like that, but for guys, so to me it's just like a mop at that point, like just absorbing stank. But maybe that's just me. Maybe I don't know. But yeah, the tangent. Today we're gonna be going to the park, but I'm gonna be recording some music, and then I'll do the workout later on today, or I might do it all today. I only have like 2 hours to spare, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I just want to knock out 2 songs that I made the beats, and then I'm just gonna try to. I've been seeing people use BandLab a lot. I'm gonna try to record the audio. I'm gonna try to record the audio on my phone and see how that turns out. I got inspired a while back. I saw this post by Mike and Earl Sweatshirt. I don't remember which one of them posted it, but it was them, and they had the studio equipment outside. And ever since I saw that, I was like, man, like I want to record outside one day. So one day will never come. You just got to make that day happen. So today is that day. So we're gonna do that. Head over to the park, record some songs. Hopefully I could document it with my other camera. If not, I did it. So, but yeah, man, episode 20, a little bit different today. I don't know. I also wanted to use this to just show to get it done by any means. If you have the minimal equipment that you need to get it done, or at least practice, like do that. You don't wait for the golden moment. Don't wait for the perfect moment. I used to do that a lot. Try to wait for the perfect moment. And that just makes you procrastinate, makes you super inconsistent, and you're not getting in that good groundwork that you need to get in, because that's what I learned. Like that's the main thing people don't tell you, like how much work goes into whatever it is that you want. You got to put in a ton of work, or unless you know people. But if you don't know people, or you're like closed off or more introverted, then you got to put in a lot of work. You got to make people notice. So yeah, that's putting in work any chance I get with what I have. And then once you get to those different levels, then you can upgrade. But we out, y'all. So much nature today. I think she's laying eggs. I'll leave you be. Okay, so we made it to the spot. About to record these 2 songs. Right over there is a turtle laying its eggs, which is wild. This spot getting wilder every day. It's fully in nature. Yeah, so that was interesting to see. But yeah, I got my trash bag with me. You know what I'm saying? No cap in the wrap. So I'm gonna wait till after, because I forgot to bring gloves, so I don't want to accidentally touch my face. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up after. So y'all just gotta trust me on that. But yeah, I don't know how much camera battery I have. So yeah, I'm gonna record that, and yeah, let's go.
Break from the start wasn't great, I'm in pause. Took this Put this grace on my heart like the way I'm in God.
Alright, y'all, so for this one, I had recorded a song earlier in the park. Only got to do one, I ran out of time, and then I was gonna do the rest of the workout when I got home, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make up for not being able to do the isolations at the park Thursday. So we're gonna do those now in the kitchen. I tried to do them in the bathroom, but it was just too hot up in there. So yeah, I'm gonna do the push-ups. I feel confident with the push-ups. So I'm gonna do 3 sets of the push-ups, 25 in a different variation. 3 sets, 25 in a different variation. And then I'm gonna do squats. I think I just did 5 reps of the squats. Well, I did 25 regular squats. You know, I'm confident with those. And then I did the single legs. Man, my knees were popping like crazy. So I only did 1 set of those. I think I did 3 each leg. I don't even remember. 3 or 5 each leg. And then what else did I do? Oh yeah, and then I did then I did another variation. I think I did 10 each leg for that one. And then after that I did core. Tried to do L-sits. I hadn't done those in ages, so that sucked, but I think I held it for like 30 seconds. And then I did Russian twist, of course. I started with the Russian twist. And then I finished with the plank to get that core strength. And that was that. I didn't want to do a whole lot. That was my first time, and first time for some of those variations, and some of them I just hadn't done them in so long. When I was a lot younger, weighed a lot less. So just very careful, very cautious. But it felt good. Yeah. So yeah, this was Friday's video.